Hi, this is Rose McDonough, and today I am in the kitchen with Maggie, who is going to make eggs for us because her eggs are so much better than mine. I've never known why, and now I will.
Hello everybody, today I am going to be making eggs, better than my mom's apparently. I just get regular eggs, you can do whatever you want, and I start out just preheating my pan. I gave it some butter because I move my eggs around, as you will see, and I don't like it to stick. So today we're going to do 6 eggs. I don't judge my cracking of my eggs, it's just what I do. I don't like to running down the sides. I crack them right in here. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you don't crack your yolks open. You want to keep those completely solid.
What temperature are you using?
I do about a medium heat. Medium heat. And you're probably wondering, she's just putting eggs in there and she's making scrambled eggs. Aren't those going to be dry? Nope. Don't worry. This is a special kind of way that I make. I actually learned them a couple summers ago from a friend, Emily Holman. If you watch this, your mom made these, and I don't know, I loved them. She told me what to do, and I've done them ever since.
And I love them now too.
Yes. So, crack them in there while it's buttered. As you can see, there's the butter under there. Let them sit. Don't rush your eggs. Zooming back in, we have our rubber scraper. We have our whites over here by themselves. I just threw my cut ham in just to warm it up some.
Okay, so let me just go through this real quick. So we separated the whites from the yolks. You flipped the yolks over, so it's almost like they're over easy eggs, and you have your ham going on.
And now I'm breaking them, and I don't know if you can tell, but they're not as runny as the yolk would be. Because this is my favorite part. I can lift it out. That hardened yolk, that part stays so moist throughout the entire time. So that's why I don't need to add milk or anything. So now I'm just breaking my yolks up a little bit because I want to cook them a little bit more. Instead of cooking both sides, now I've kind of broken open what's in there. So I have everything separated for now.
Okay.
Now, give that probably a minute or two. I'm going to turn my heat up from 2 or 3 to 4 or 5 max. I'm going to mix my whites in with the ham. Just, don't want those to overcook or get dry. So with the ham juices, they will be salted before they mix.
Okay, so because the ham is salty, a little bit salty, you probably won't use many seasonings, just pepper, maybe a pinch of salt. Is that what you're saying?
Yep, and then I do it at the end. I don't even do it while I'm cooking.
Okay, all right.
You can put the pepper
in. Those yolks, you're keeping those yolks over there till the very end.
Yep.
What makes the decision? When do you decide when you're going to put those in?
When they're a little bit, see how they're thickening, but that's all yolk?
Yes.
Just when it's not, so you don't want to have drip.
Okay.
No drip. So that's why I turn the heat up, and then I move it and kind of put that side on because this doesn't really need anything.
Okay.
Let that sit for a couple, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes. Mix it up, you'll be good to go. And in the meantime, put your 2 dishes, cutting board and your knife.
Okay.
And you're good to go.
All right. Okay.
I almost like when it becomes a solid yolk when I'm moving it.
Okay.
Can you see the yolks?
That's much better. Thank you for flipping it that way.
Sorry, it's...
Okay. All right, so they're starting to look like they're almost over hard at this moment.
Yeah.
They're not over soft any longer. They're over hard. We've been doing this because we cut out for a few minutes while it was getting solid. So I believe you've almost been doing this for 7 minutes at this point.
Yep.
All right.
That's including cutting the ham like from start to finish. We've been here for 7 minutes. So now when I move it, you can see that it's a clean go. Run them off. You don't need that anymore.
When you're on an electric stove, though, there's still residual heat left on. But now you're folding it together using, of course, a
rubber scraper.
That's right. Everybody knows, best tool in the world, rubber scraper.
Because that way I can get any juices and whatnot all together.
All right,
And you can see in here the over hard is completely different looking from your whites.
Surely is. Very tasty. Okay.
And then I flatten it out while I get the plates. Just any juices can warm up on that last sit and heat. And I can get the plates and we're good to go.
She's going to have to definitely do some stuff here.
All right, so we have it here. Go ahead and put some on your plates and you're good to go. You don't need any milk.
This is good for somebody who's got some issues with lactose intolerance. Although I usually put water in mine, not milk in, weirdly enough.
Interesting.
I know.
Sorry, I'm just putting it evenly on the plates. Actually, I'm giving myself a little more because I know that you probably won't eat it.
That's all right. All right, pull the plate up.
Good to go.
Well, thank you for coming and joining us today. I didn't have to do any of the work. I thought I might have to do the cleanup. We'll see how that goes. I want to go ahead and pull some names out today. Heather Cunningham, thank you so much for liking my ham barbecues. We were talking about that the other day, that Maggie wants to make some of those as well. And another one, Yolanda, I'm going to say 10 UK. I could be wrong. You're a subscriber. Thank you. I'm so sorry if I butchered your name. For everyone else, please like, please give thumbs up. Please leave comments if you liked what you have seen here today, or if you've made it or anything else like that. Thanks. Have a good day.